Want to stop your iPhone and apps you've installed from listening to you without your permission? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 6 settings to change to stop your iPhone from listening to you and tracking your activity. Now let's get started. To stop your iPhone and apps you've installed on it from listening to you without your permission, you'll first want to take a look at what apps have access to your device's microphone. Open your Settings app and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Microphone. Here you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your microphone. If you see any apps listed here that you don't want to have access to your microphone, tap the switch to remove access. Apps where you need to use your microphone, like Zoom for example, are fine to leave access enabled. Another way your iPhone listens in is with Siri. If you have Hey Siri enabled to quickly pull up the voice assistant, your iPhone will be constantly listening for that prompt. To turn this off, go back to your main settings menu and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. If your iPhone doesn't have Apple Intelligence, this section will just be labeled Siri. Select Talk and type to Siri. Then tap Off to disable your iPhone from listening for the Hey Siri prompt. You can still hold down the lock button to quickly activate Siri if you want to use it. We've now turned off the main settings that allow your iPhone to listen to you and your conversations, but let's look at a few other places where your activity might be tracked and turn those off as well. In your settings, go back to the Privacy and Security section. Select Tracking. Then turn off Allow apps to request to track. This will stop apps from requesting to track your activity across other apps and websites. This is usually just done to serve you more personalized ads, which is really unnecessary. Another area where your activity may be shared is in the Analytics and Improvements section. These are mostly areas where your activity data may be shared with Apple and app developers for the purpose of improving their features. Again, this isn't necessary at all to share. You can turn off every improvement option in this section to stop your usage data from being shared to Apple and app developers. The last place we need to prevent tracking is on your web browser. In the main settings menu, select Apps at the bottom. Then select the browser app you use. Mine is Safari, but you can do this with Chrome or any other browser app you may use. Scroll down to the Privacy section and enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This will stop websites from tracking your browser activity once you leave their site. Pay attention to the wording of settings like this for different browser apps. For example, for Safari, I want this feature on to prevent tracking. But with Chrome, I need the feature off to disallow cross-site tracking. Lastly, you may want to hide your IP address if your browser offers this feature. In Safari settings, tap Hide IP Address. Then select From Trackers. This will prevent any known trackers from accessing your IP address, which helps protect your personal information and location. That wraps up all 6 settings you need to change to stop your iPhone from listening to you and tracking your activity. Want to further protect and optimize your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.